the river. We're going to Clay Reef, and we're gonna collect clay to make our project. It's really dry. This is what we've been picking out. A lot of clay, you know. Here's my pick, my rock hammer, and we're starting to get clay out. So we're coming back up from the Clay Reef. I got my snake boots on because it's spring here and snakes come out. We just came back with 3 whole bags of clay. So yeah, now we're going back home. This is breaking my shoulder. We're gonna recycle the bags, and this is where we keep them to get HCV things when the coronavirus is over. And we're just gonna make the sustainable city out of the clay in here. We're gonna smash it up with stuff like, I'll use my rock hammer, and we're gonna make it into a dark gray paste. We're gonna put a little bit of water in it, and then we're gonna make a form of the little house and stuff, and it's gonna dry and get hard. We're gonna use mud, clay, hay, and some sticks. I recommend using mud, because mud dries up. With the mixture of mud, rock, water, and hay would be good. Because if you just put mud in water and then let it dry, the rain will take it down. It will turn into a soggy house. It's called Earthship, and we're making we're making the walls of a little house. Tires really are bad for the earth. So, but if you use them for something, if they have a purpose, then they're not polluting if they have a use. They're good for the walls because no sound goes through. It's good for every weather, and it stays the same temperature all the time. Communal means like for everybody, like a garden that the whole little town, in this case it's a town, not a city, they can all, it's all like a whole town garden that they all work on together. We're working fast because it's gonna rain, and the rain's gonna go down here for our water collection. That's good. And this is how we're gonna stack the tires. We just wanted to show you, fill that in. And here is our wall that we made out of clay. We're modeling these, pretending they're cans that would otherwise go to the dump. And yeah, I'm making the floor right here. And we're gonna put these in like this, like stick them on. When it dries, it will turn hard. This is a model of a Earthship. It's a house that works by itself. It doesn't use electricity, water, or like air conditioning, heating up the house from the government or any of that. It basically like works by itself. Here is our solar panel. It's a mirror, but it represents as a solar panel. And we planted some dill and some flowers. We want dill because caterpillars come, and we want to, because caterpillars love dill, and they will come, and we want to have some butterflies. There it is. Here's the air pipe. Right here. There's seriously cold air in there. Mama, seriously. We're making the sewage. This pipe, all the pee and poo is gonna go in this hole. Okay, now I'm gonna fill it in. We finished the sewage to the bathroom back here, right here. And we're gonna make a little garden. We're gonna connect the tube to that. To there. There. The rocks are the filter. Right here. And then we will put a little bit of sand on. Dirt. Extra dirt here. And look at our trees. They're starting to grow already from the past few days. And I want to show you something else. We made a well here, down here. It's really cool. A well inside, you can see the water. Our rainwater collection, the rain will come here. It will fall in this tube, and it's coming out here. And look at all that water that came. Look at all that. It's called adobe when you put mud and you make like a mud brick with hay inside. We're gonna make a whole house out of it. And here I'll show you how you make it. So you grab, look how deep this hole is. You grab mud and then you get a little bit of straw and then you shove it in, crunch it, make it into a ball, smack it up, get some more, and then form it. Take some out if you need to, and form it into a block. And then you stack it. Boom. We're finishing the roof of the adobe house. It's made out of bamboo leaves. Over there are bamboo. Next to our giant We're cutting this cactus open to make our adobe house waterproof from the rain. This is the goo that we got from the cactus. Look how gooey it is. It will help the house have like a force field from the rain. Okay, wow, that is nasty. Or like dragon barf. Or maybe troll birds. Something. Bienvenidos a Meaty Wow. windmill powered by the wind, generating electricity. Look at that. Look at that. We're making this stick wall. It's called a quincha in Spanish, and it's like you're making kind of like a net made out of sticks, and then you're gonna put mud in it, and it's gonna dry up and make a wall. These are adobe bricks that we're making, and it's the adobera is the wood frame here. When this gets kind of a little bit hard, we'll take out the frame and we'll let it dry here, and then we're gonna make plenty of these bricks and make a hospital.